Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring your Mac meets prerequisites, at least 8 GB RAM and recent Mac OS. Once done, install Homebrew to simplify packages, then install a supported JDK like 11. Make sure Xcode command line tools are present for device drivers and fast builds. Now download the Android Studio DMG and check available disk space. Android SDK Plus emulators can use many gigabytes. This gets you ready for the installer and prevents mid-setup failures. Open the DMG and drag Android Studio into Applications, then launch it. When the setup wizard appears, choose the standard configuration unless you need custom SDK components. Install the Android SDK, platform tools, and at least one system image for the emulator. Set the SDK path in Preferences and enable hardware acceleration. HAXM for Intel or Apple Hypervisor for M1/M2. Once configured, create a virtual device. These steps optimize build time and let you run apps locally. Create a simple test project and run it on the emulator or connect a physical device via USB. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled on the phone, and install Android file transfer if needed. If builds fail or the emulator won't start, verify SDK Manager components. Check that Android Home/SDK root are correct in your shell profile, and confirm virtualization is enabled in system settings. As a single troubleshooting tip, reboot after SDK or hypervisor changes to clear locked resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.